VC of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey goes on leave. Notice from university's registrar says Professor W. Vishwanath has been appointed as VC in charge. Musu, Muta and Musa condemn sending VC AP Pandey on leave and appointing of VC in charge. Reiterates all demand is complete removal of VC Pandey. And AYF and AISF condemn statement on Indo-Myanmar border pillar dispute by Union Minister Kiren Rijiju yesterday in Rajya Sabha. Volunteers bana Rijiju's effigy. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Chusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Sources from the Ministry of the Human Resource and Development said the VC of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, has been sent on a 30-day leave, while a notice from the registrar of the university said Professor W. Vishwanath of the Life Science Department of the university will be appointed as the VC in charge in the meantime as per the University Act. However, during an exclusive interview with Impact News, Professor W. Vishwanath denied receiving any official letter for the same. He said if taking up the post of VC in charge would resolve the university impasse, he will discuss the matter with Musu, Musa, Muta and the authority of Manipur University. Professor Vishwanath expressed astonishment at the circulation on social media about the same. The professor appeals not to spread rumors. Professor Vishwanath also disclosed that he had already submitted a written application to the registrar of the university on July 28, stating his denial to take up any administrative works as long as he is serving as a teacher in the university.
Hujiki situation is that Thani and a problem Torabina Karigumba Angon Piraga in a sort of Wangoto already Handana Adi Wakalamadi Kalui. But Hujipiraka CSA, I think VC or VC in charge, people consider Kari condition Labino have the study to Dragati, Musaki, Mutagi, Musugi representatives in the threat pair Kanda Machine Lobu Yabra Yadabra, Lower Raganakari Brown Tokani. Low Dragonakari problem Tokoni have to discuss Torga consensus some of the Ayava Purukanda I must acceptable not to decline to watch the way in a Kali's Ogati.
On the other hand, Musu, Muta and Musa have reiterated that their sole demand is complete dismissal of VC Pandey. They condemned the Ministry of HRD's order, which sent the VC on leave instead of ousting him. They criticized the sending of the VC on leave and appointment of Life Science Professor of Manipur University, W. Vishwanath, as the VC in charge. Representatives of the university community criticized the order as a disregard to the people of the state by the HRD Ministry and the VC. They further warned of intensifying agitations until the VC is permanently removed from the university. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of Muta, L. Sanju Kumar, said that the resolute demand of the university community is to permanently remove Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey. He maintained that their staunch resolution will not be affected by any ongoing investigations. Speaking further, he reminded that Professor Vishwanath had earlier announced of not taking the post of VC in charge until the university crisis is resolved. President of Musu, Diban Kumar, also stated that it is a violation of the university's regulation to grant 1 month's leave to the VC and appoint another professor as the VC in charge during an ongoing investigation. Stating that such order cannot be carried out without the consent of the university's authority, he asserted that the university community will continue their agitations unceasingly until the VC is removed from the university without any condition.
Professor W. Vishwanath, Life Science, Mabu Insas, Hapamena Quiz Pautare. Masi say, HRD Amasung Bisina, Queen Manipur Gimiam say, Sibu meet the Utcha Chanava, Toriba Tixizu, Adugi, Makal Amane, type Amaneva. Central Toriba, Bisi Tevse, Queen Manipur, Nustiki community Natana, Manipur Pazabu, Shita Torineva. Kariam ine khanabase sum moina sum akhode hojale akhoi hauji akhoi demand BC Professor Epe Pante ma lokthok jingei akhoi demand si handuk oi sida inquiry tawgera tawroira mado akhoi inquiry gi question kaim la aroi
Manipur gi miam na mahak se pamdre Manipur University community puna mahiroi sing satra sing Oza sing amadi staff sing puna mana yadre mak Manipur University halak pa sok ya yaroi hari ba keno se sok ta sana dana kari gumba magi matkat siri ba maral mayam sida thijan gani da thijalo ina traga kari hai dana mai hokdan leire ba tanja sida by chance arma chuti da pi re hai base masi yamna angakpa mani masi muta musa mari University community musuna kaidong de so lem na tharoi khoi sap chana khoi ya roi ba kungam mahak se by chance gi sip tagi lokthok tri bawda matik sa ba sigi matugina maral pi re bakti mang mafam tagi lokthok tri bade khoi khongjang se han manai tana sangsan gani
Effigy of Union Minister of State Kiran Rijiju was burnt today in protest against his statement at the Rajya Sabha session yesterday. Representatives of All India Youth Federation AIYF and All India Students Federation AISF highly condemned the Union Minister's statements that there is no land dispute between India and Myanmar by burning his effigy. Speaking to media persons at AIYF office BT Road today, President of AIYF Manipur State Council M. Somorjit maintains that the statements made by the Union Minister just after the inefficient survey team visited the state for namesake cannot be regarded lightly. He strongly condemns that the border issue is being trivialized and the people of the state are looked down upon. Somorjit asserted that several movements of the people regarding the issue have been carried out and that they are prepared to launch democratic movements including shutting down of relevant departments. On the other hand, Secretary of AISF MSc K.H. Rameshwar said it will be wrong to believe that the movements of student organizations to protect the territorial integrity of the state can be maneuvered by the government from time to time. He warned of resorting to undemocratic form of protest if their democratic protests are overlooked.
Parliament members in Mamanga, Manipuri Praja, Apamasivo, Aranboin, Halakanda, Masagimana, Eta Kemta, home related Achumban, and Fundoposi, Manipur Praja, Sitava, Tawas Hadabani, Manipur Praja, Yapamba, Yengaga, All in the Youth Federation, Amadi, All in the Students Federation, Masagi, Democratic among the Struggle Kayam, Lieutenant Sinjagani, Loinana, High River.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur in a press release expressed discontentment at Union Minister of State for Home Kiran Rijiju's statement in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. The Union Minister stated that there are no Indo-Myanmar border disputes. SSUM urged the BJP-led state government to clarify on the same by August 10. Arrangements are all set for a mass rally as part of the Solidarity Rally in support to the movement of Musu, Muta and Musa. The rally, to be participated by representatives of all political parties and CSOs, will be flagged off from Kakwa and conclude at Manipur University. Veteran politician Okram Joy has appealed to leave behind any political differences and take part in the rally. During a media interaction at his residence in Kakwa, Huidrom Lekai this afternoon, the veteran politician said residents in and around Manipur University took the resolution to take out the mass rally during a meeting held on July 15 in relation to Manipur University impasse. Okram Joy alleged that VC Pandey was appointed as the VC of Manipur University not because of his efficiency but only because of his political affiliations. He condemned politicizing the issue and urged the government not to convert the issue into a political platform. He asserted that most of the issues are resolved in the political domain in this 21st century. Ojoy termed it unfortunate that martial law administration and bulletproof cars seems to be in the forefront with regards to Manipur University issue. The veteran politician termed the recent supports extended by certain sections to the VC, recent setting ablaze of MU campus, allegations on underground outfits of demanding money from the VC, and false information in support of VC Pandey circulated in Sunday Guardian Live Daily as an attempt to defend the VC and strongly condemned the same.
BJP dagi ate maru eba me farma yam tolo kini masigi maru eba pandam di Manipur kanba adu university kanba Bharat ki rajniti ki khetra du wei ba hojik leiba Manipur ki rajniti ki khetra du wei ba sida koina the social leiba film sida kanna gi koi leiba aise kanna ba tawda ba ade maduna koi leiba sida ba ade adu aidani chep Manipur haris khungang chatlu sing chatlu adu mai hai ba du mai na Hawjiki ekoi immediate niti university chatlu hai basine go to the university shape university leibak sigi ko leibak sigi brain kaluso hai baduni hayengi ekoi khongchasi
Pradhans of 3 Gram Panchayats in Langtabal constituency have resigned their primary membership from the BJP. Speaking to media persons at the press meet held at the residence of veteran politician Ojoy, the 3 Pradhans, namely Thongam Guneshwar of Oinam Thingel Gram Panchayat, Oinam Kunjarani of Maibam Laikai Gram Panchayat and Golmai Roy Kabui of Yangthang Gram Panchayat announced their resignation. Pradhan T.H. Guneshwar maintains that they resigned from BJP due to inefficiency of the party in handling various states issues including the Manipur University crisis.
Nakoi vision document yaw hiwa thawang mayam do nakoi kari pangthoge hai dona koina mayam na hangpas la koi khumanga maktaba sigumba Manipur gi oiba boundary pillar gi do ero framework agreement do ero any hiram khudimakta Bharat Sarkar dagi yamna nungsiba mi ama yengtaba sina maram war kanda asi haiba numisida primary membership tagi koi tokpa ma thau tar pa maram nang asi se general secretary oijaram bagi I card aduga party president da pinana bagi koi application sega konana asi dagi koi Bharatiya Janata Party ki primary membership tagi tokchare.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has alleged the BJP-led NDA government of deceiving the citizens and openly looting public's fund. Addressing media persons at MPCC office, BT wrote today, spokesperson of the party, K.H. Devabrata, intimated that the bill for the purchase of 36 aircrafts as per the Rafale deal signed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 8, 2015 is 60,145 crore rupees against the only 18,940 crore rupees bill for the same number of aircraft during the UPA government. He questioned if the extra 41,205 crore rupees has been misappropriated by the NDA government. Devabrata stated that the Prime Minister did not follow defense procurement procedure and did not draw prior clearance from Cabinet Committee on Security during the purchasing process and alleged that such conduct is lie in the face of the public.
Commercial cost so I hide the procure number 1 procurement the procedure to price su moina unilateral decision lore amuta tawgidra khoi swaida contract amagi tender ma tawbuda changiba process na mayam su lo general knowledge on lainar bani hariba ado lupa crore amani gi tender thawau da limitations mayam le leba ke so am chawba serious hoiba strategy hoiba so important hoiba akhoi gi asset haibadai 60,000 crore gi asset sagat buda near about 41,145 crores he cheating dawde 41,205 crores public money is mangal point claim.
The 24-hour general strike called by Reformist Student Front ends up unsuccessful amid news of its postponement doing rounds on media. The general strike called against the border pillar issue and the Indo-Naga framework agreement did not have much impact on normal life. Except for a few shops, all the business establishments in major markets remained open and vehicular movements were as usual. However, banks, schools and offices remained closed. The general strike will end this midnight. Incessant rain in the last couple of days has risen the water level of Thoubal River in Thoubal district. As per an official report of the Thoubal District Water Resource Department, water level of Thoubal River rose from 779 meter at 5 this morning to 780 meter around 11 a.m. The river bank is just short of 1 meter to rupture as compared to last month. Meanwhile, Lilong River is also said to be rising above the danger level. Landslides occurred at Lok Chau and at other two different places 2 kilometers away from Khodeng Thabi along Imphal Moray Road. Vehicles remain stranded after the landslide occurred in these areas due to heavy incessant rain in the past 2 to 3 days in Moray and the surrounding areas. Vehicular traffic has been opened after repair of a temporary road. A team of Moray police led by SI Baite also took stock of the condition of the road and removed the earth on the road using JCB from Lok Chau Bridge Repair Work Site. Tingsong Khunau and Tingsong Center Village under Mau Maram subdivision in Senapati district are reeling under flash flood caused by the heavy downpour that struck the two villages. The flash flood decimated all the paddy fields and roads connecting in the hilly area of the district. According to the villagers, over 600 acres of paddy fields at 11 different sites were destroyed by the flood. The paddy fields were reportedly damaged by overflow of Iril River, Khanairok River, Luichong River, Paitu Wada River and Mashengkang River. Village authority of the two villages reported that it was one of the worst flash flood / mudslide that occurred in their lifetime. The fields belong to 22 families where they used to harvest over 2,500 tins of rice annually. Villagers also said the flood blocked irrigation canals, which will further endanger the remaining lands not earlier submerged by the mudslide. The villagers also reported that paddy fields, fruits and vegetable farms worth lakhs of rupees were completely destroyed by the mudslide. The village authority appeals to the authorities concerned to inspect and take stock of the situation and extend all possible help at the earliest. A 3-day training program on integrated farming system, processing and marketing of farm produces was launched at Hotel Classic Imphal today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium Imphal launched the program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing NIAM Jaipur with an objective to increase farmers' income in the state through incorporation of science and technology in farming. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Chief Secretary of the Agriculture Department, Letkogin Haukip, stressed the need to delve deeper into various issues facing the farmers and to take necessary measures to counter them. He also said merely organizing training programs and distributing high-yielding variety of seeds will not bear fruits without proper irrigation system. The Additional Chief Secretary advised all the farmers not to remain idle post-harvest but to occupy themselves with other means of generating income.
Sahi kaya oil kre koi farmers ki development ki damak te koi tawbise sahi yam kre ba adu se koi farmers sing se develop soy oil deba lombi duga long mapu duga interaction asigi connection problem se kaya mo wang na lebra deep root ta chatra di koi development se sugle lebong mo farmer develop to get di asigi department ma se adu gi government daga asigi department में कैसे converse तो द्रादी farmer तो काखत लोई.
Taking part in the event, Director of the Agriculture Department, P.H. Rajendra, stressed on the need to maintain the quality of black aromatic rice produced in the state. He said if quality is maintained for value addition, then Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of doubling farmers' income by 2022 will be successful. The director also disclosed that the Agriculture Department is ready to launch a Rs 200 crore project for enhancing maize yields in the state. He said that the project will be submitted for approval to the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region without further delay.
Just very good the May is the people of Rivasi. When May is the project, so how much is same around 200 crore. But say Minister of Donor as well as Minister of Paygo, so there is a meeting on the Karang later. Thus, after completion of this meeting, I will meet our director planning. I know I see meetings get those are kind of now seeing the participants in Marona entrepreneurs or progressive farmers in the Hamzani. Yagi quality labor port proxy a boy. I mean, I am sorry, how is your quality with your 3 weeks?
Loktak Lake, also popularly known as Floating Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, serves as a major source of hydropower generation, irrigation and drinking water in the state. However, the lake is deteriorating as waste products are continuously being brought in by nearly 29 to 30 rivers and streams that feed the Loktak Lake. The urban sewage dumped into these rivers ultimately reached Loktak Lake, harming the delicate ecosystem of the lake. Despite various measures taken and awareness raised on the same, the condition is still gruesome. Pollution of the lake is leading to gradual extinction of various species of indigenous fishes. Every individual plays a pivotal role in curbing the menace. Impact News brings you a report in this regard.
I know Zilla Pharmacy, Namulture Sari, Kasampa Tomotani, was in Miam Uriba, Amonakai Mayamasi, Lamulturelgi, a quote the Tariba, Kunjasina, Amadi Miam Tadarakpa, Patahodi Mayamsini, Patahodi Mayamasina, Kogi Loktak Pat, Itin Kramatung, Pat as in no people soxilagi, Malem Yamatangairaba, Kogi floating, Lake Hargas Konariba, Tumisi and the Pat as in Nasidi. Partasi dagi ngamakal kaya mangkare amadi party koi ba tariba khunja singsu ana ye kaya yawa thingnare aduna ngasidi miyam mikap tholasi turel da fat haudi lang thabagi haina bi thadoklasi amadi partasi bu kana honam da adom gi saruk yari haibasi miyam khaminersi cameraman bume sokolona paudum jariba jotin khundrak Impact News Imphal.
People in Thoubal district are facing inconveniences due to shutting down of Thoubal district hospital since the last 5 days. The hospital was vandalized and doctors of the hospital were trashed up by irate locals when allegedly a boy died due to negligence of the medical staff. It may be mentioned that a drowned boy was brought to the hospital and was declared dead on July 29. OPD as well as other emergency services of the hospital are on hold, bringing much plight to those in need. People in the district drew the attention of the relevant authority to look into the matter at the earliest. Dental College RIMS in a press release informed that Assistant Professor of the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Dental College RIMS, Dr. Nandita Khetrimayum was awarded the IADR Cardiology Research Group Travel Award 2018. The award was presented to her in recognition for her innovative work and ideas in cardiology during the 96th International Association of Dental Research Conference held in London. Thokchom Serchil from Singjamei has been appointed as the president of Apna Dal as Manipur State. The appointment order was issued by National President of Apna Dal as Ashish Patel. It may be mentioned that Thokchom Serchil was a candidate on MPP ticket of Singjamei Assembly constituency during the Manipur State general election last year. Apna Dal is an allied partner of the BJP-led NDA government at the centre. The party's parliamentary leader Anupriya Patel is the Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare. Names of awardees of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur's yearly Pakka Maitei Literary Awards 2018, Kuting Tangkul Literary Award and Dr. Saroj Nalini Arambam Parat Literary Awards 2018 have been announced. The forum informed that Kiran Maikam from Singjamei Tingamakha, Ningthaujam Laikai will be conferred the Pakka Maitei Literary Award. Dr. Tekcham Roshan from Tekcham Laibung Laikai, Thawal will be conferred the Kuting Tangkul Literary Award, while Dr. Saroj Nalini Arambam Parat Literary Award will be presented to Sanatomba from Telo of Imphal East. The award distribution program will be held on August 20. Popular Front of India (PFI) in a press release informed all students pursuing further degrees who are interested in applying for PFI scholarship to apply at www.popularfrontindia.org between August 3 and August 31. A combined team of Technopole District Police, Moreh Police and Commando Moreh under the supervision of SP Technopole Dr. S. Ibomcha today conducted frisking operations in the border town of Moreh. The team, led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Thomas Thokchom, conducted the operation as part of security measures which began yesterday ahead of the Independence Day. The team conducted patrolling at Indo-Myanmar Gate number 1 and Gates number 2 and checked the Myanmaris and their goods coming toward the Indian territory. Security has been beefed up in the border town in the wake of planting of RDX bomb in Moreh Market on July 30. Police has sought for public cooperation for the same. Indo-Myanmar Workers Forum in a press release informed that family members of MD Khairur Rahman, a laborer of the forum who was shot dead by unknown miscreants on February 2 this year at Moreh Wards number 5, have received an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees on July 30. President of the forum and Pulindro expressed gratitude to DC and SP Technopole for their efforts in ensuring the same. Now the sports news. SAFF Under-15 Women's Football Championship will kick off from August 4 to 15. 4 Manipuri players will be representing the Indian team in the tournaments to be held at Bangabandhu National Stadium, Dhaka in Bangladesh. The Indian team comprises of captain and forward player H. Silky, right wing T.H. Kritina, left wing Linda Kom and N. Priyanka in the left back. Arjuna Awardee Oinam Bembem is the assistant coach of the Indian team. Altogether, 7 teams divided into Group A and Group B are participating in the tournament. Defending champion Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and Pakistan are in Group A, and runners-up India, Sri Lanka and Maldives are in Group B. India will face Sri Lanka in their first match on August 5. Special contractor of HVS Construction Huidrom Bikram distributed track suits to all the players who are representing Manipur in the 6th Northeast Zone Shooting Championship 2018. The championship will be held in Mizoram from August 6 till August 13. Altogether, 54 shooters attended the event held at the residence of contractor Huidrom in Wangkei. The players will leave Imphal for Mizoram on 3rd of August.
Team dasu ahumlak akoi si champion oirabani adra ngasi All Manipur Parents Shooting Association na khusam naraga haujiki kano si Mizoram sida participate tawba chacha basida aina angamba track shoot chi player singda yendokpagi thoram asi pangtok sabani lona na lakadriba mathang chai khangde hek shooting gi damakta aina ngamjaba khuding mathang dasu dum pangtok ai ngamjage.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. VC of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey goes on leave. Notice from university's registrar says Professor W. Vishwanath has been appointed as VC in charge. Musu, Muta and Musa condemn sending VC AP Pandey on leave and appointing of VC in charge. Reiterates sole demand is complete removal of VC Pandey. And AIYF and AISF condemned statement on Indo-Myanmar border pillar dispute by Union Minister Kiran Rijiju yesterday in Rajya Sabha. Burned up Rijiju's effigy.